Direct flights gikan Davao City padulong Hong Kong, Bangkok ug Thailand,
Davao, Japan, direct flight.
Ang Davao to Doha, Qatar.
giablihan na.
Pag-uusapan po natin yung international connection ng Davao City sa iba-ibang bansa sa buong mundo. You know, transportation is very important and particularly on air transport. Dahil ito po yung mga nagdadala ng turista at yung turista po ay pupunta dito sa Pilipinas, kung competitive yung ating mga presyo, kung napakamahal naman, these people will not come here in the Philippines. Now, let me update you, in the city of Davao, meron na po tayong mga international flight. Singapore, araw-araw po ito, operated by Scott, isang airlines na nag-ooperate sa Singapore. So, punong-puno na po yung ating airport na Luzon ng Davao. Those people are coming here in Mindanao. Hindi na lumuluwas sa Manila dahil matraffic dyan. Sabi ninyo, matraffic ang Davao. Hindi po matraffic ang Davao. Fake news yun. Kaya makita mo yung sa litrato na pinalabas doon sa Facebook, hindi naman Davao yun. So, Singapore, flight, araw-araw, meron ng Davao hanggang Singapore. Meron na rin Doha, Qatar. Yung Doha Qatar flight operated by Qatar Airways, typically flying 3 times per week, Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Hong Kong, non-stop service operated by Cebu Pacific with direct flight available 4 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday, operated by Cebu Pacific. So yung Davao po ay massive ang development because ma-remember ko, nung sinasabi ni President Rudy at saka sa mga anak niya, dapat malinis ang Davao. Dapat may peace and order, magandang peace and order. At saka yung mga nakatira dyan ay disiplinado. Parang bahay yan eh. Kung ang bahay mo madumi, walang ilaw, hindi malinis, maingay. But in the city of Davao, tahimik ang mga tao dito. Kaya kahit during Christmas, wala kang nakikitang napuputol yung kamay dahil they want to live peacefully. Walang firecrackers dito dahil may firecrackers ordinance na meron pong City of Davao niyan at bawal yan and itutuloy po natin ito sa lungsod ng Davao. Then meron din Bangkok, Thailand direct service to Don Mueang International Airport operated by Cebu Pacific. So, padami po yung mga aeroplano na pupunta sa Davao. Kasi if you will go to Manila, matutulog ka doon, magtataksi ka, mag-grab ka, mag-hotel ka. Napaka-traffic. Ito, pagdating mo doon, facilitate, ginagawa, pinapalaki nga yung airport na Luzon ng Davao, then you can just fly. Tahimik dito. Pag pumasok ka ng Davao, parang komportable ka. Yung cellphone mo, hindi mawawala. Kahit ilagay mo sa table yan. Sa mga taxi, kahit sintabog, binabalik. At pag may reklamo ka, anytime, pwede kang tumawag sa 911. At lahat ng gusto mong sabihin, reported yan sa satellite, from satellite, ibababa yan doon sa mga patrol base. At saka yung patrol vehicle, pupunta ka agad doon sa iyo to give you support in a matter of 5 or 7 minutes. In a few minutes, darating sila dyan. So, again, congratulations to Mayor Basti Duterte for a job well done, for his continued political leadership and discipline. Ngayon ay may bago na naman na papasok sa lungsod ng Davao, yung direct flight from Japan, Davao, Japan direct flight. Ito ay sinabi ng sinabi ni Ishikawa Yoshihisa, Japan Consul General, that during the birthday of Naruhito, yung Prince Emperor nila, last February 13, na kinukonsider ng Japan na magkaroon na rin ng direct flight dito. And dati mayroon din China Airlines. So, lahat ito. So, we have Singapore, then Qatar, Hong Kong, Bangkok, Thailand, and the Japan will be opening also. Ito po ay mga result. This is the result of what? Political leadership of the Duterte team, cleanliness of the city of Davao, the most livable city, and the most peaceful city. Kaya kahit anong paninira dyan, we are focused to sustain the effort started by Mayor Rudy Duterte and the children, Vice President Sara Duterte, Mayor Basti Duterte, and Congressman Punong Duterte, Congressman Omar, and Vice Mayor Rigo Duterte. I think nagbunga po ito because not only on tourism program, by maintaining peace and order, ang dami pong modeling ang ginawa ni President and Mayor Rudy at sa kanyang mga anak. This is Councilor Dayang Hirang, and congratulations to the plan of Japan government to open the Japan and Davao City flight route destination with other airlines like Singapore, Qatar, Hong Kong, Bangkok, Thailand ay nag-ooperate na po dito sa lungsod ng Davao. Till next time, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat and God bless Philippines. See you again. Bye-bye for now.
A political analyst, Danny Dayong-Hirang, shares his commentaries and analysis on the latest issues. As a veteran public servant, offering his insights and critical thinking. As an educator, he speaks the truth that matters. Our seasoned legislator, Danny Dayong-Hirang, is live every Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays at 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. via Facebook. Follow us on our social media platforms for more details. Mahalin natin ang Pilipinas.